Hi everyone. Okay. Um Hello to my vlog. Wait lang. Ayusin muna natin 'to. Alam nyo guys, hindi ko alam kung ba't ako nag-set up ng camera. Meron pa akong mga homeworks na kailangan gawin. It's okay, it's fine. Para naman yun sa journal. Lagyan muna natin yung mga jacket natin dito. Kasi malamig sa classroom namin. And kailangan ng jacket. Pero hindi ko siya agad nilalabahan. Alam nyo ba, pa-jump yung brain ko. Kasi mag-a-ice muna ako ng bag. Tapos, biglang naisip ko, oh, hindi pa pala ako nagde-dinner. Oh, hindi ko pa pala na send yung notes ko sa mga groupmates ko. Oh, ang gulo ng files. Gulo ng laptop ko. Alam niyo yun? Yung ganong feeling. Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering why I ended up recording. Well, it's because in-upload ko na yung mga videos ko sa YouTube. Yippee! And I decided, just put it out there. As if naman may manonood niyan. This is for my journal, by the way. Kasi I was doing this last year. No, actually, 2024 pa. I'm vlogging na. Pero, alam niyo, hindi naman masyadong seryosong vlog. Laro-larong vlog lang, para lang sa memories, ganun. Mind you guys, consistent ako mag-vlog before. Pero nung nag-college na kasi ako, medyo na-busy lang ng konti. So, alam niyo yun, medyo nag-slow down, life happened. So, kailangan ko lang siyang i-manage. And ngayon, medyo maluwag yung schedule natin. Kahit papano, mas meron tayong time para mag-vlog and may bago na tayong pang-record and we have a new mic. So, might as well use it for the video, right? Okay, just give me a second. Look guys, what I got from Student Summit, yung mga outside commissionaries namin. I got a new keychain, it says Kim, and I will upload photos and videos for my dump. Pero, ito na muna, video muna. And, guys, lumamig na yung sandwich ko. Pero sige. Okay lang yan. Mga random stuff lang naman to. I like being alone. As much as I like being with other people, I would say that I'm pretty comfortable with my own company. Yeah. Yung mga ginagawa ko for myself are things that are very homey. Wala, I'll just fix my stuff, I'll do the laundry. I like it when my life is simple. I wanna keep it that way. Just a low-key, simple girl. College, family, music, Taylor Swift. Yeah, that's me. Music. I like doing stuff and being productive. I also don't max out my day. For example, I wanted to join this org. It's called, oh my gosh. Sorry guys, rinig yung airplane dito sa bahay namin. Sana ma-edit ko to agad, no, yung video. I'll just keep on yapping and yapping, yapping. And cut ko na lang yung video para hindi masyadong mahaba. Pero yun, hindi ko masyadong minamax out yung araw ko. Kasi, I don't know, I feel like it's important to set aside quiet time. It's for you to debrief. I don't know, just think about things and actually take in the world around you. Parang ano lang yan, like input ka lang sa life mo. Tapos, kailangan mo siyang i-process. Kailangan mo yun bigyan ng time. Of course, everything in life requires time. Alam niyo guys, nag-try din ako na mag-video pag uwi ko habang naglalakad ako. Hindi talaga kaya. Masaya naman siya. I like doing it. Kasi, Gusto ko masulit yung time ko, like pag magko-commute ako, ganun. Okay lang. Ayoko masyadong i-pressure yung sarili ko na mag-video. Kasi hobbies lang naman to. I feel like nag-evolve din yung hobbies ko nung tumanda na ako. And okay lang yun. Ganun talaga. Nag-change talaga yung mga gusto natin, yung mga ayaw natin. And that's part of being a human. Nalalaman mo yung gusto mo, di mo gusto. By the way, guys, look what I have here. Pero wait lang. Okay, I changed my mind. I made tea and sandwich. Sorry, pinatong ko lang kasi hindi ko siya kayang bilhin ng dalawa eh. So, pinatong ko lang siya ng ganyan. I really wanted to try yung mountaineering stuff dun sa school namin. Pero, dahil wala akong kasama, it's like, oh, nah, okay lang, masaya naman siya. Pero, I wanna do it with my friends, gano'n. Pero okay lang. The thing is, ako yung pinakaunang pumunta sa school namin. And usually kasi, kapag nag-duty ako sa org namin, morning, kasi I wanna have the entire afternoon for myself. But, hindi naman ganun yung friends ko. Late na sila pumupunta. Katulad kanina, pauwi na ako. Tapos sila kadadating yung nila. Pero okay lang. It's their choice and it's my choice. And if hindi magkasalubong yung schedule namin, okay lang to take pictures with them, greet everyone. And sinabi ko din to kay Tina na nung Monday kasi, ay by the way guys, University Hood Week kasi namin. And syempre, may mga activities, ganyan. Nung Monday, opening. So, lahat ng major pupunta. Tapos, ako naman, pag uwi ko, pagod na pagod ako. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pagod na pagod ako, guys. Alam mo yung, ang tagal ng bakasyon. November, December. 2 months of vacation. Biglang pupunta ako sa event na ganun kadami yung tao. So, alam niyo yun, medyo nakapagod lang socially. Say hi to my sister. Punta ka kaya dito? Okay. Okay guys, seryoso na tayo. Magla-lock-in na tayo. Kasi, hihingi na ng groupmates ko yung notes ko. And I promise them I'm gonna send it tonight. Ayoko kasi yung po dito. Ang init. Yun lang. Magde-debrief pa tayo next time. I feel like I should get my own monopod na. Pero, habang hindi pa tayo consistent sa pag-video, ihiramin muna natin yung sa kapatid natin. I'll work on some stuff, throw this away, eat. Yun lang. Bye-bye.